Hey guys, welcome back to Raptor Pack RV. I'm Roger, and we are coming to you from Pearce County Park here in Grants Pass, Oregon. Hey, we're really excited to kind of tell you a new format that we're doing our videos. A lot of you know that we are not traveling for the time, and we're going to be staying here in Grants Pass. But we want to bring to you what is so exciting here in Josephine County and Grants Pass. So every other week when we put out a new video, we are going to be on location at a different park. Like here behind me is the Rogue River. We're going to show you what is here for you to do, in addition to some delicious meals by Chef Bubba J. So without any further ado, let's get to today's show. I think the chef has something pretty delicious in store for you, so hang tight. I'd like to introduce to you, on location at Pearce County Park, Chef Bubba J. Hey Chef, what do you got going today?
Well, today we're doing my Bubba J cooking show.
What are we cooking up today?
We're cooking for the chicken.
Cacciatore.
Cacciatore.
All right.
And now, we're gonna start the cloves first.
All right. Put that on.
I can't. Okay. And now we got something on the table. I'm going to cook.
Is this what we're going to need to make our chicken cacciatore?
Yes.
All right, why don't you show everybody?
I got the chicken. I got the cheese. I got the tomatoes, olives, garlic. I got this, the wine. And I got the ochos. I got the onions and the bell peppers and the mushrooms. And I got that one.
That is the juice from the artichokes.
The artichokes.
And Chef, I see you got your Coors Light ready to go.
Yes.
All right, Chef, we'll be back with you in a minute after our coals get hot, and we'll start cooking. Okay, hey, we're back at the park. Chef Bubba J is over there. He's waiting for his coals to get nice and hot so we can start cooking the chicken and getting our chicken cacciatore in the Dutch oven. But in the meantime, I'd like to tell you a little bit about Pearce County Park. It is a huge day park. They're open, I think, from about 8 in the morning till 6 o'clock at night. They've got an 18-hole disc golf course here that there's tournaments that they hold here. It's really cool. The park is huge. They got 2 camp hosts that work here during the summertime. Behind me, if you want to come here, you can rent this. They've got the gazebo picnic area. They got fire pits. On the other side, we're going to take you on a walk later. We're going to show you the little lake that they have here. And over there, they got a huge children's play area. This is just really cool. And like I said, right next to us, as we sit here, you can hear the Rogue River as the river is going on by. So, hey, if you come to Grants Pass and you're looking for a great day trip, you just want to come out and have a picnic, have a barbecue, see Chef Bubba J cook here, Pearce County Park. There is a $5 day use fee. If you stay here for a long time and you want to take advantage of it, they do have a seasonal pass you can purchase. I believe it's $25 or $30. But hey, for $5 you can come here. It's beautiful out here. And we're waiting for our coals to be done.
Yes.
You want to go check them?
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna get back to cooking. Hey Chef, how did the coals look?
Good.
All right, so let's go ahead and dump those out on your tray and give me 22 coals to cook this chicken. Go ahead and dump them out. All right, let's get 22 coals and we'll start cooking our chicken, okay?
Here we go. We're gonna put the half juice inside to the Dutch oven. No, I gotta put the chicken inside in the Dutch oven. Like there, huh?
We're gonna cook those up, huh?
Give it a good stir. After we're done with the chicken, we're gonna have a Coors Light.
You got to have a Coors Light in every single one of your videos, huh?
Yes.
It goes with cooking?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? All right, Chef. Enjoy your Coors Light. Let's get back to...
Until the chicken is brown, we're gonna scoop it into the plate.
All right. Let's go ahead and take the chicken out, Chef. And we're going to put it on the plate. Let's just scoop it out. There you go. Put it on the plate. Okay, Chef, what are we going to put in now?
This one is.
We're going to put our onions and our bell peppers
Yeah.
in our Dutch oven, and we're going to cook them until the onions are translucent, huh?
Yeah.
All
There
right.
you go.
Let's pour it in.
I'm gonna put my seasonings in.
Your seasonings, which consist of salt and pepper.
Salt, pepper,
We've got some basil,
basil.
coriander,
Yeah.
and then we're going to just stir all that together, huh?
Mm-hmm.
All right, buddy.
What about I start pouring? After that, we're gonna put all the ingredients in.
Okay, first thing you're going to add to it is diced tomatoes. All right. What's the next thing, Chef?
Now, tomato sauce.
Tomato sauce.
Yeah.
And what's next?
Time for the mushrooms. All the yolks.
Artichokes.
On the chokes.
And in the Wilson house, we call them artichokes.
Let's try it, Daddy.
Nice try.
Oops.
And lastly,
Olives.
yes, it is. And this is Bubba J's studio audience.
Hey, Chef.
Hey, Chef, Bubba J.
Chef Bubba J's studio audience. All right, son. Go ahead and let's mix it all up in there, huh?
We're gonna add the chicken. The lid is on, and we're gonna cook it up for 45 minutes.
All right. So once you got your chicken back in, and
Add the cheese.
the cheese comes later,
Yeah.
we're gonna put our coals. So we're working with about 10 coals below and about 16 to 18 on top. And we're gonna cook that for 45 minutes.
Yep.
All right, Chef, I'll see you back. We were telling you, if you come here to the park, they got a huge picnic area for group barbecues, picnics.
Yeah, up in here.
And over here we have the children's playground. This whole area of the park, this is on the western side. Just a lot to do here. Horseshoe pits out there in the distance. Looks like they've been trying to get these leaves. Everything's falling. This is the far western side of the park. Take you over and kind of show you what the park has to offer.
Welcome back to my cooking show, and we're gonna check the chicken in a dish oven.
All right, Josh. Let's see what. Oh, Josh, that smells good.
We're gonna put the rind in one.
All right, that'll give it a nice taste, huh? Okay, stir it up.
I don't know that I gotta eat the rind. We're gonna sprinkle the cheese on top of it, and we're gonna wait for 15 minutes.
All around. All right, Chef. Look at that. That looks delicious.
Pretty
Put it
good.
over a little bit of pasta. Why don't you go ahead and give it a try?
Sure. Ow.
Hot?
Yeah.
What do you think, Chef?
Good.
Is that really good?
Yeah.
Oh boy. All right. Do you approve? All right, Betty. Hey, Chef Bubba J, thank you for another great meal. I can't wait to dig in myself. So, we're going to let you enjoy your chicken cacciatore.
Yeah, I want to burn my mouth.
All right. Well, guys, as you can see, a great dinner. Hey, Chef Bubba.
He's
See,
too busy eating dessert.
he's too busy eating his chocolate mousse cake. We want to introduce two really good friends of ours, Tommy and Yolanda from Pennsylvania. We met them.
Absolutely.
We met them in Arizona when we were traveling at Kaibab Paiute Indian Reservation, the RV park there, and they're in Oregon, so they came down to see old Chef Bubba J cook his meals. So
And they brought us some really
Yeah, we
amazing dessert.
we got some good dessert.
I know we should have taken a picture before we devoured it.
Well, hey guys, again, we appreciate you tuning in. If you're really enjoying the videos that we're doing, we're going to try and showcase more parks here, not only in Grants Pass, but Southern Oregon. If you're enjoying Chef Bubba J's recipes, please click down below, click that subscribe button, click that little bell. That way then you'll get notified when we come out with a new video. And until next time, as we say in Raptor Pack RV, travel more, stress less. God bless, and we'll see you on the next go around, huh?
Peace out.
Peace out.